Welcome dear students, welcome to SQL programming. Today we will discuss about some DDL and DML comments. By giving query, we create knowledge about SQL programming. So firstly, you have to create a table. So here you can see by coding I have created a table, create table employee. Inside the employee there is a ID, name and designation. ID, name, designation, ID, name, designation and salary number. Salary is data type is number, and after that create table I am using insert the data, insert statement so insert the values inside the table. So here is the values inputted, I have inputted. If you want to input another value, so you can also create. So here insert into, so again employee, you have to mention the table name, but here not need the column name, here just giving values comma Rajesh, his designation is developer and comma C01 at first. C0 is ID should be C02 comma Rajesh comma developer, and you have to declare the salary like 60,000, not comma, only 60,000. After that semicolon. Now your table is ready. Acha. So DDL comment and DML comments. DDL comment means data definition language. Data definition comments includes the create, drop and alter. Three comments are basically used in create in the DDL comment, and DML comment used insert, update, delete and select. Four statements are used in DML comments. So create table. So here you can input the data. So drop statement, drop means to delete a data, delete a table. Okay, permanently delete a table. So look, drop table employee semicolon, and after that select star from employee and run the program. Here it will show look, no such table employee. Look at the output screen, no such. This query in previously we used that this query is used for showing the all data from a table, but in 4 number line, in previous line we have already deleted the table. So why they will show the data? So your table is already deleted, understand? Okay, but if I declare the comment here, select star before deleting the table, so it will show the data, because my coding is not deleted, but temporarily data is deleted. So select star from employee. So now it will show the data. Run the program. Look, it is the first line and second line is for the this query. After that deleted the data, it will know don't show any data, and this is the error line. Okay, understand? Here whatever input you have inputted, it is showing here, and after that C02 Rajesh, it is the inserted data, and second number is deleted data, and after that it the error data. Okay, so drop means delete a data, and drop is the DDL command, data definition language command. Okay, hope you all understand. Okay. Now employee, select star from employee, and here drop table and the table name. Okay, drop command, here use drop command. Okay, so run the program, it will show this. Now I just inactive these lines by giving semicolon and star, sorry, slash and star. After that I will show. Now we will show the subquery. Subquery, just give heading subquery. Subquery. So what is the subquery? When we give query inside a query, so that is known as subquery. So that's like here I want to show those person data who got the high salary. I want to show the data, all data of that employee who get high salary. So how it will work? So at first select, at first give comment query to show the data, all data, so the all data of that employee, who get highest salary. Okay, after that, so for this query we just do a different types of programming. Okay, so select star. Star means it will retrieve the all data, it will show the all data from table name employee. Now you have to give the condition where salary equals to, inside that, so salary equals to, now we have to give the bracket select max, inside the max function salary column name, so it will take the highest salary data from the salary table, from table name is employee, and after that you have to give semicolon last, so it will show the data of all. So here C02 Rajesh developer 60,000 salary. So here two inputted here 50,000 and 60,000 who have got get salary. You just change the data here, you give 1,50,000. So you run the program, it will show the C01's data. So hope you all understand this programming. Okay.